There's something up there.
What's up? What's up, man? What's going on?
Exploring the woods alone at night can be a truly frightening experience. What happens when you come across someone?
You want to start?
I didn't do anything.
You did. You trespassed on my property, and you know that.
I was on the rocks.
The rock is my property, honey.
Or something you'd prefer to avoid. Tonight, we will dive into the 6 most terrifying camping encounters that would make you feel uneasy, starting with one of the most outrageous ones. In a gripping video, Sean, the adventurous creator behind the YouTube channel Sean DeWitt, took viewers on a journey into the heart of the wild. Known for documenting outdoor adventures and camping experiences, Sean often shares tales of eerie encounters and survival challenges. However, he was unaware that this particular day would unfold into one of the most terrifying experiences of his life. On March 27, 2017, Sean and his friend Ryan set off for an adventurous weekend of camping in a secluded area, seeking the serenity of nature. On a whim, they decided to take a shortcut through the dense woods, totally unaware that their adventure was about to take a bizarre and unsettling twist.
You're not supposed to be here, okay?
This is their backyard.
No, it's not. This is my yard.
The rocks separate the properties.
Yeah, but you're not in the rocks, were you? Were you?
We were on them.
No, you weren't.
Guys, private property. Private property, so please.
I will. Come.
No.
What are you doing?
What do you mean no? You want me to fight you?
Nancy.
We're leaving right now. Come on,
He's
Ryan.
not leaving.
Come on.
What are you talking about? What's going on?
They're playing hunt. 2 doors down.
No, but this is considered the
No, it isn't.
boundaries.
No, it
What are you
isn't.
talking about? Boundaries.
The
We're just
boundary-
cutting through because it's a shortcut.
It's not a shortcut. How do I know you're not breaking into that home?
I'm not gonna
I didn't go
break in them. These people are wicked nice.
Oh,
See, that guy's right there.
Right. How do I know you're not breaking into their house?
We're not.
How do I know?
Why? I
Why
wouldn't.
are you up here?
Because my friends were back here and we chased them.
Do not.
Where are you from?
Come.
How far down? Where are you from?
Come.
No.
You want to start?
I didn't do anything.
You did. You trespassed on my property, and you know that.
I was on the rocks.
The rock is my property, honey.
Out of nowhere, a woman appeared onto the scene, her fierce eyes locking onto them as she claimed they were trespassing on her land. With an air of authority, she pointed at Sean, demanding he follow her, and when he refused, she made a bold move, attempting to grab his arm. Just as the tension thickened, a man emerged from the woods, stepping in to support her. His voice rang out, firm and unyielding, insisting they leave at once. However, the woman, unwavering in her conviction, accused them of trying to break in, despite the reality that they were simply passing through. The tension escalated as the woman relentlessly accused them of trespassing. Unfortunately, the video ended abruptly, leaving us in suspense about what happened next.
You want to start?
I didn't do anything.
You did. You trespassed on my property, and you know that.
I was on the rocks.
The rock is my property, honey.
Especially since Sean didn't provide any updates on the situation. What do you all think? Did the woman handle the situation appropriately? If you were in Sean and Ryan's shoes, how would you have reacted? Share your thoughts in the comments as we move on to the next terrifying encounter. Imagine the thrill of embarking on a camping trip deep in the heart of an Indian jungle. This was exactly what the host of the YouTube channel Unknown Dreamer and his adventurous friend set out to do on February 7th, 2025. However, what began as an ordinary adventure quickly spiraled into something disturbing.
ये वीडियो नहीं है
आवाज सुनो। यही है। आग जला भाई, आग जला। कहाँ है बूटी? ये तो है। बबरे सुनी दोस्तों, आप सबने सुनी होगी। भाई जस्ट अ नॉट जोक बट लिटरली फट गया तो। आग जला लेते हैं सुमित, मैं तेरे से टाइम से कह रहा हूँ। कैसे जलाए?
The night was thick with tension as an unsettling growl echoed through the dark, chilling the air around their tent. Scratching sounds and rustling movements near the bushes added to their worries, making them doubt whether their tent could protect them from whatever was outside. Despite their fear of the unknown, they somehow summoned the courage to investigate the source of the disturbance. It was at this moment that they captured this.
वो बैठा बॉय, कितना बड़ा है ये। ओए इधर लगा है, तो टाइगर है। हैं? टाइगर बेटा भाई साहब, लिटरली के सामने लेपर्ड। ये देखिए, नहीं भागेगा भाई। ये भाई चमकी, ये देखो पी लिया भाई। मैं आज कैमरा नहीं ला रखा हूँ, नहीं तो दिखा देता दोस्तों। देखा कितनी ज्यादा, इसलिए और आवाज ज्यादा थी। वो वहीं को लगा वो देख। अरे ऊपर क्या है यार सुमित, तू उसको देख के रहा हूँ, उसको निगरानी। वो देखा कैसे देख रहा है वो। ये उधर ही पे है, मुंह के सामने में। टॉर्च कैसे कांप रही है, अब सोचो तुम। उसका फोकस नहीं है। इतनी छो तो भाई, क्या हल्ला करूं? ओ भाई नीचे को आ रहा है, वो देखो अभी किया। बहुत बड़ा है रे भयंकर, और इसकी खन की नहीं आ ही जाएगा भाई। आराम से हल्ला करूं? हल्ला भाई, ऐसे टॉर्च बार बार चमका रहे हैं, आएगा नहीं क्या वो? एक बार हेड ओ भाई वो क्या करो फिर। ओ बॉय अंदर हल्ला करो, यहाँ को आ रहा है। सुम्या, ये वो टाइगर है। सुम्या टाइगर है, इतना बड़ा नहीं देखा आज तक मैंने। अन्नदा प्रॉपर कैद हो रखे। अन्नदा हल्ला करो, यहाँ को आ रहा है यार। हल्ला करो। घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा उसको।
As the explorers shone their flashlights into the woods, a leopard suddenly appeared, passing by just a few feet away. Alarmed by the potential danger, they quickly retreated to their tent, packed their bags, and dashed for their car, leaving their tent and other belongings behind.
सबको पकड़ा ने? अच्छे सुन, पागल है तू। ठीक है, ओ भाई
They had just spent a restless night in their car, their hearts racing from the events they had just experienced.
आज तो अनोखी कैंपिंग रे। ये सब कुछ खुला छोड़ करके जा रखे हैं हम भाई साहब। लाइट वाइट तो सब खुली थी, रात भर खत्म हो गई होगी। खत्म, पूरी बंद है, खत्म है। अंदर का हाल समाचार देखो कल रात का। सुमित कुछ बचा है या नहीं? सुमित का आटा लगाया हुआ वैसा ही है।
At dawn, when they returned to their campsite to survey their campsite, they found everything untouched, just as they left it. Nevertheless, they were grateful for their quick decision to leave the tent when they did. as they came close to a potentially dangerous situation. If you think these are the only terrifying encounters that would make you feel uneasy, then you haven't seen this next one. This unsettling footage was captured by Philippe Sena YT, a popular YouTuber renowned for his thrilling exploration videos. However, his adventure on February 8, 2025 took a spine-tingling twist. Eager to venture into the unknown, he parked his car on a notorious haunted road, totally unaware that something terrifying lurked in the shadows, waiting to make its presence known.
Quem é?
The unsettling sound of someone trying to open his car door jolted him awake. He wondered who it could be, especially given the late hour and the remote location. This made him feel uneasy and overwhelmed with curiosity, prompting him to step outside and confront the unknown, even though it might not have been the wisest choice, as no one knew what dangers could be waiting for him outside.
Eu acho que eu tenho alguma coisa tentando abrir a porta do carro, família. Se alguém atrás de mim. Eu escutei, ó. Tem pegada aqui, ó. Alguma coisa tentou abrir isso aqui, família. Ó. Ó o vidro. Me arrebento todinho, família. Olha, meu Deus, cara. Olha como é que tá meu aqui, ó. Olha como é que tá meu braço, ó. Vai embora antes que seja tarde. Meu Deus, os terráqueos.
A shiver ran down his spine as he heard eerie noises coming from the depths of the woods. His heart raced when he spotted an ominous message on his vehicle, a stark warning urging him to evacuate immediately. It became obvious someone, or something, was lurking in the shadows, watching his every move. Fear gripped him, leaving him disoriented and on edge. Feeling unsafe, he decided to leave, shaken and unable to process what he had just experienced. As unsettling as this encounter was, what you are about to see next will leave you on the edge of your seat. Jeff Kester was excited as he embarked on his solo camping trip deep in a remote forest, craving the sweet embrace of solitude and the thrill of adventure. After reaching his destination, he found the perfect spot to set up his tent. Initially, everything went perfectly normal. However, when he took out his camera to capture the beauty surrounding him, he was confronted with the unexpected.
Goddamn thing outside this night vision. Jesus Christ. I don't know where the fuck I am. Fucking prick chased me off. Now I'm wandering the goddamn darkness. Shit. Fucking flashlight. Fuck. Fuck.
he captured something truly unsettling, a figure that resembled an alien. Although its identity remains uncertain, the figure appeared eerily as it moved through the frame, leaving both viewers and experts baffled. Despite numerous reviews and analyses, no clear explanation has emerged for the mysterious presence caught on camera. The following day, an extensive search was conducted in the area, uncovering that Jeff's camping gear, car, wallet, phone, medical inhaler, and all of his personal belongings had been left behind. However, Jeff himself was nowhere to be found. His disappearance turned into an enigmatic mystery, leaving everyone with lingering and unsettling questions about what truly transpired in the depths of the forest. If you are still watching, that means you like what we do, so you might as well support us by subscribing as we delve into the next encounter. In October 2023, Crazy Quady, the adventurous YouTuber loved for his heart-pounding van camping exploits, decided it was time to shake things up. This time, he wouldn't be parking his van under the stars. Instead, he chose to spend a night in an abandoned building that whispered secrets from the past. Little did he know, the choice to camp in this forsaken structure would plunge him into a spine-tingling adventure that would test his nerves like never before.
Well, y'all, welcome back. So I'm out here on another adventure, and tonight we are out at an abandoned house, and this is out in the country. It's been abandoned for a while, as you can see.
After thoroughly exploring the building, he decided to pitch his tent and settle in for the night. As the night approached, an eerie atmosphere enveloped the place. He couldn't shake the feeling that he wasn't as alone as he thought.
There's something up there. There's definitely something up there. Get! I can hear it walking around, whatever it is, probably a raccoon. There's definitely something upstairs right now. I haven't even cooked dinner yet, and once I do dinner, I'll have to bag that up. Bag up my leftovers or my food bag, and I'm gonna toss that outside as far as I can. Got our bear spray.
A sense of unease washed over him as he heard persistent noises coming from upstairs. The more he attempted to brush it off, the louder the disturbances grew, making it increasingly difficult to ignore.
Let's try more sound effects. Whatever it is, I would like it to leave. It's only 9:30, 9:26. mean, the wind has picked up a bit. So it could be branches clonking against the house, especially up front, because they're like everything is grown right up to the house. But it sounded like there was something walking around right above me. Yeah!
Despite the rising disturbances around him, he managed to get some sleep. By morning, he packed his belongings and left the building. This incident elicited mixed reactions. Some people claimed they wouldn't have stayed an extra moment after hearing those noises, while others admired his courage for enduring the situation, fully aware of the risks involved. The incident led to questions about what caused the disturbances. Many thought it might be a homeless man living in the building, and he was surprised by an intruder. For the explorer, hearing noises in the abandoned building was frightening. And now, to the last encounter. Meet Ian, a charismatic YouTuber behind the captivating channel Ian on YouTube. In his vlogs, he invites viewers into his world, sharing both the highs and lows of his life, as well as the unique experiences he encounters while working at 7-Eleven. After several demanding days on the job, Ian felt the pressure of his routine weighing him down. Seeking a breath of fresh air, he decided to pack his bags and embark on a camping adventure, eager to unwind and find solace in nature. However, just when he thought he could fully relax, something unexpected happened that turned his serene escape into the adventure of a lifetime.
It was Saturday, a couple days ago. I was super beat, I was exhausted. I was like, you know what? I'm not even filming a video. I'm just gonna go and hunker down because my car is made for that. And I went to a spot I normally always go to. There's a McDonald's right there. It's 24 hours. I didn't think anything would happen. All of a sudden, this guy comes out of nowhere, and this is what happened. I'm not gonna explain anything other than the fact that I was literally laying down, about to go to sleep, and I just hear like not a knock, but like him like trying the handle, like him pulling it.
He was abruptly awakened by someone trying to open his vehicle, and he couldn't help but wonder who it could be, especially since he thought he was in a safe location. While panic surged through him, he summoned his courage to see who it was. To his surprise, this is what he discovered.
What's going on, man? What's going on? What's up? What's up, man? What's going on? What are you doing? Hey, bro. What's up? What are you doing, man? You ain't fucking weird, bro. What the hell, man? Sorry, guys, my light's on. Oh, man, I'm shaking, dude. I had my whole setup. I was sleeping back there, dude. Oh, man, he tried to open my door. And then you guys saw that. He wasn't saying anything, man. Dude was a freaking zombie, dude. I don't even have my glasses on. I can't be driving. Oh, I gotta get to a safe spot, guys.
Ian noticed a man staring through the window of his car, standing silently as he focused intently on him from the outside. A wave of fear washed over Ian as he realized he could be in danger. The man's behavior was unsettling. It made Ian wonder if the man might be experiencing some sort of mental health issue. After all, what kind of grown man approaches a camper just to stare inside without saying a word? Eventually, the man walked away, leaving Ian safe. Just imagine being alone in your car, trying to sleep, when suddenly a stranger appears, attempting to force his way inside. That's a camper's worst nightmare. and Ian was fortunate to have escaped the situation unharmed.